I'm going to start off on a positive note and just say that Dawn Free and Clear dishwashing liquid has been one of my favorite products for, at least the last 15 years or so. And I use it as a body wash because I have oily skin and I'm also allergic to a lot of things. And so the Dawn Free and Clear takes care of all of that. It gets me really clean, really fast without a lot of scrubbing, and it doesn't give me any rashes. Okay, so anyway, it came time to replenish my stock of this Dawn Free and Clear. Went to Target, which is what usually carries it because Walmart rarely carries it. And so what did I discover? Instead of the old bottle, which is this one, they came up with this new bottle, which is allegedly easy squeeze. All right, that is a misnomer, if there ever was one. So here's the old bottle. Okay, what was wrong with the old bottle? They had to change it. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. It's nice and flat, has a little nice ridges on it. So if you're in the shower, if your hands are wet in the sink, whatever, you can grab it. It's really easy to grab. Okay, I mean, and the cap has a nice little hole in it. All you got to do is you got to tilt it, and it comes out. Okay, you get a little squeeze, and it comes out some more. All right, it comes out really easily. All right, what was wrong with that? I mean, what the heck was wrong with that? Okay, so now here's the easy squeeze. Okay, so first off, it comes with a little sticker, so you got to remove the sticker, no problem there. And then if you look at it, what it's got is a little rubber diaphragm at the tip, okay? Because the idea is you can turn it upside down and store it upside down, all right? And it won't leak out. Okay, well, guess what, okay? If it won't leak out when it's upside down, what happens when you try to actually get the stuff out? Well, okay, you squeeze it and just little dribbles come out, little dribbles. Okay, you have to squeeze it really hard. Okay, and unfortunately, I have arthritic thumbs because I'm old, and squeezing it is not any fun. And and then they made the bottle a lot rounder. The ridges are way up high instead of towards the middle, so they don't provide any grip. So if you're in the shower with this sucker, you try to squeeze it, you try to hold on to it, and it's just really a stupid idea. All right, and I don't know why any corporation would want to put a flow restrictor, because that's what this thing is. This is a flow restrictor. Okay, it is nothing but a flow restrictor, just like the kind you have on your faucets and shower heads. The ones that Donald Trump complains all about. Oh, I can't get any water out of my faucets. Okay, well, okay, this is a flow restrictor, just like those faucet flow restrictors. So the water dribbles out, right, instead of a nice good flow. Well, okay, it's a good idea to for mankind to conserve water, but does Procter & Gamble really want people to be conserving Dawn dishwashing liquid, to have their stuff dribble out in droplets, so that people use less of it? Well, okay, it's a great idea to conserve water, put flow restrictors on everybody's faucets and showers so that, you conserve water. But did Procter & Gamble really intend to flow restrict the usage of this stuff by their consumers? I think not. Okay, so my message to Procter & Gamble is, please get rid of this new packaging. There was nothing wrong with the old packaging. It was perfectly fine, perfectly good. You have a great product. You don't need to put it in a crappy new packaging system that doesn't work, that is inferior and will reduce the amount of stuff that people use, okay? It's a hit to your bottom line. So I'm appealing to your sense of the bottom line. I'm not appealing to your sense of aesthetics or anything else. I'm just appealing to your sense of the bottom line. Okay, you put a flow restrictor on this thing. Okay, why would you do that? Okay, why would you put a flow restrictor on a dispenser for dishwashing liquid? All right. Okay, so fire the guy that did this and bring back the old bottle. Okay, please.